Hi, my wonderfuls. I am just missing you guys so much. I wanted to get on here so you guys could see my face, and I wish that we could be talking in person. Right now it's Thursday, March 19th, and we've been out of school for 4 days now. Um, but I just wanted to check in. I know a few of you answered the questions I sent out. Don't worry if you didn't. It's just a way for me to talk to you guys and figure out how you're feeling about all this. I know that this is kind of a really scary time, but just know that you're loved and you're safe, and we'll get to see each other sometime soon. Um, so I've had a lot of questions about what you guys are supposed to be doing and which work you're supposed to complete. So I thought if I just tell you all at the same time, it'll make a little bit more sense. So you all got that packet that I gave you before you left on Friday. So you can just keep working on that. And then I also gave you guys some books to read that are around your level. So go ahead and read those. And then read anything. You should just be reading all the time, every night, listening to mommy and daddy or grandma and grandpa read, or reading to them. Anything would be great. And then Prince George's County did put some packets online for you to use if you'd like. Now, the math workbook and the science workbook were only sent home if we end up being out of school for more than 2 weeks. Then I'll assign certain pages out of there. Um, but what I'm going to do is every few days I'll put up something on here, and it's all optional. You won't get graded on it, but that way you'll have some work to do, because I know some of you are missing all that hard work you were doing growing your big old brains in our classroom. So just know that I'm thinking of you and I miss you, and let's keep in touch. Keep telling me how you're doing and having lots of fun, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Mwah!